Bautista. Captain ball ng team Eric Maribadak, si jersey number 10 si Nero. Sa kabila si Hotalia. Jersey number 29, 26 pala ito. Pero oh, lamang sa na nakaya ni Hotalia. Hotalia lamang sa Juan. Sanggang sa labas, wala. Juriban. Baula, pass to Garay. Garay, jersey number 7. Katapasa kay Medina, hook shot. Losing the glass, goal for 2 by Medina. Ayan, jersey number 13, Nova Samwan. Derigal, pass to jersey number 1, Sabrina. Back to Hotalia. Setelah Nova Samwan, shot lock down to 8. Boy, may pumunang dito para jersey number 7, Garay. Pushing foul. Garay, first baseline foul. Setelah jersey number 13, pass to Hotalia. Binali pa, pero wala. Setelah Bautista fake. From downside, wala. Big rebound, jersey number 13, Girian fake. Dito pindak by Nero. Walang wing defense by Mr. Nero. Pass na Garay. Jersey number 7. Wala, nakuha ni Bautista. Remain time, last 6 minutes. Ayan. One ball as well. Right. Loose ball. Garay, just number 7, pass to Medina. Medina from downtown, shot shooter, pero wala. Nakuha ni just number 1, pass to Merial. Just number 13. Wow, what a great play up by just number 13, Merial. And now on the ball, pass to Garay. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Garay, one for someone, setting the play. Pass to Bauya from downtown, siya na naman, cutting back na red, goal for 3 by Bauya. Jersey number 13, looking for someone, setting the play. Got it by Garay. Pass to Hotalia. Hotalia, nilagyan, nalitangan na kaming Entero. Ano, matang pass sa Bauya. Dibukod pa, yes, goal for 2 by Bauya. This time on the ball, pass to Merial. The jersey number 1, long 3. At good rebound by jersey number 10, into Entero. Oy! Nagitawan ni Garay, nakanin jersey number 1. Pinalibali natin, pinablang kay Bautista, fade away. Wala pa rin, big rebound ng Taya. Oy! Loose ball, nagitawan. Pass to anticipating ka ni jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Offensive foul ang tinawag kay jersey number 1. Lumabas ang sito. Garay. Pass to Medina. Nagparay kay Guerra pero wala. Bigyan Bauya. Pass yan kami ball. Who's ball that? Wearing jersey number 26. Hotalia. Yes. Derian, got it by Garay. Jersey number 7. Binasa kay jersey number 1, Sunyan. Binasa kay jersey number 30, Goat. Gandang laglang. Good for 2 by jersey number 1. Pass to Bauya. Lumabas ang 1. Gandang pasa naman kay Medina. Libre pero walang pa rin. Masyadong pinaalata na si Medina. Sabrina, goal for 2. Back to Medina. Back to Garay. Garay. Hook shot kay Mano, wala. Big rebound. Dalawan sila. Big rebound na Hotalia. Hotalia just. Pass to jersey number 13. Merial, the point guard. Pass to Hotalia. Hotalia dami niya. Pero nagulak na pito foul. Who's foul left? Wearing jersey number 04. Bala. Jersey number 1 yung malakot. Pass to Bautista to Hotalia. Turn around shot. Wala. Big rebound. And there, jersey number 12. Galing pa Bautista. Oh, nabitahan. Oh, pinatay ko riyan. Jersey number 13. Deriyan na naman na yun. Tulog pass. Pass to Bauya. Oh, alam pa Shot clock down to 8. Oy, grabe lang yan. Real, 7 to play, jersey number 13, back to Bautista, jersey number 7. Loose ball, wala magaling sa green. Bago mo na ball, pass to Garay. Garay, lopas naman. Garay, ganang nalag ka lang sa Bautista, nakulit na Garay. Garay, yes, good for 2 by Garay. Joshua. Yan, Real, jersey number 13, setting the play. Pinasa kay jersey number 1, shot clock down to 13. Yes, good for 2 by Sambuena. Remaining time. Shot clock down to 15. Medina, back to Garay, jersey number 7, long pass someone. Garay, gandang pasa kay Garay. Wow, loose ball. Remaining time, 1 minute and 40, Real. Jersey number 13, pass to Sambuena naman, long 3. Wala pa rin. Big rebound, talaga sila. Jersey number 30, hook shot. Yes, good for 2 by jersey number 30. Jacob. Garay, floater. Gandang laglag naman nun. Husog na glass. Good for 2 by Bono. Remaining time, 1 minute and 13 seconds. Shot knock down to 15. Bautista. Tagaw na ka ni Bauya. Medina, hooks. Jackson pala. Ay, natanap na pito ball. Who's ball rep? Ball on jersey number 13. 2, 3, 4. And then, pass to Medina after Garay. Shot lock down the guard. Nakuha ni Bautista. Pass rin pass ka na sa Garay. Counter steal, yes, good for 2 by Endero. Remaining time, the last 42 seconds. The last 30, shot lock down to 17. Shot lock down to 15, last 35. There you are, jersey number 13. Last 30, shot lock down to 8. And then, steal Endero, pass break pass na Garay. Garay, the point guard, pinabila pa, pinabila pa naman si Baola. Wow, mag-tiktak. 1 for 2. Tama trap. Dapat ang team kapilitan na. Remaining time, last 24 seconds. Sa ating first quarter. Last 15. Alright, let's put up Kapito foul. Who's for it? Red jersey number 7. Pushing foul ang pinamaglay. Joshua. Garay. 12. Last 10. Last 5, 4. That's the end of our first quarter. Official score. Official score 18-10 in favor of team 18. Sorry, I'm gonna pass to Garay, Garay. Pass to Gato na MJ. MJ, pass to Garay. Sorry, I'm gonna need the tatak-nak. Ginali pa. But tumatak-nak dito foul. Who's ball rep? Foul on jersey number. Jersey number 7. Pushing foul on sinalagay. Sir, ano ang pilihan mo, sir? First zone around, not good, second row. Jumpers ready. Rip. Ano yun? Sinyan. Hey, naglakas ang boss pass. Iba na pangilala sila. Dito na yung block, wala great block by Bogtana. Kesa ayan, the Iron Man, nagpamadali. Pinasa kay Baola, crackdown sa wala. Baby man may jersey number 23. Teha. Teha lang ko sa kantina sa kay point ka nila. Sino yan? Jersey number 7. Puntik na. Jersey number 07 na naman. Jump shot, yes, good for 2. Technical na, 7 tsaka 07. 7 pa rin yan. Kay Gerard, pass break, pass na matama, masyadong malakas. Nakuha ni jersey number 15. Jersey number 15 na yun. Easy the ball, lawin mo sa buwan. Pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, Captain Taylor na pinasaw. Sino yan? Oy! Loose ball. Official score, 20. Jersey. Official score, 20-12. Guys, last 9 seconds shot lang muna. Shot lang down 5, down 12, goal for 3. Desaro ngayon. Lumabas ang 1, dahil man, paso Botona. Botona, gandang pasa ito. Yes! Goal for 2 by Endero. Jersey number 7 na naman. Offensive ball ang tinawag kay jersey number 7. Zorrilla. Tesorio. Pass to Maray. Remaining time. 5 minutes and 20. Shot knockdown to 14. Jump shot by Punto na wala pinasa nila. Yes. Goal for 2 by Endero. What a great copy by Endero and Tesorio. Jersey number 7. Lumabas sa buwan. Pinasa na bitawan na kuha ni Botona naman. Botona, pass break, pass to Bauya. Bauya, jump shot. Toy, wala. Nakuha ni jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 7. Remaining time, 12 minutes and 48. Para great steal by Endero ngayon. Endero, pinabilang pa. Goal for 2 by Endero. Jersey number 15. Back to jersey number 15 again. Remaining time, back to 5. Para jersey number 0, Garay. Huling pala tinawag kay Garay. First go by jersey number 15. Yes, connect 1. Sergio, Super City. Dating pa na rin, kompleto ang dalawa. Goal for 2 by jersey number 15. Pass to Garay, remaining time, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Garay, pass to Mauya, pass to Tesorio. Tesorio, grabe naman yun. Figueroa, wala rin. Ayan, jersey number 7 na naman. Pinalipari, ay! Loose ball. Nagpasa naman yun. Grabe, saktong-sakto. Goal for 2 by Garay. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 15, jump shot, goal for 2. Botona, lumabas sa buwan. Pass to Garay, ay! It's a backward violation. Jersey number 29, in front of the ball, pass to jersey number 7, back to jersey number 29. To jersey number 23, Teha. Si Teha lang kilala ko. Jersey number 7. Sinan. Shot lock down to 15. Ay! Garay naman yan. Garay, driving left. Please tama yan. Goal for 2 by Garay. Lumulobo na ang kalamangan ng Team Eric Marie. Sinan, jersey number 7 naman. Guarded by Tesorio. Long 3. Loose ball. Pass to Botona. Back to Garay. Wow! Miscommunication. Sorry pala. Surila naman ang ball. Pasigas na nagpanilang. Tatuwa. Crackdown sa wala. Tony Joss na kawan. Kapag si Biman by Sambana. Sambana. Crackdown siya naman. Pero wala nakuha. One goal na kani Joss number 0. Nabutaan nila sa Ariel. Si Rian. Laikot pa wala. Shot knockdown to Brad. Wow. Tapos magandang foul. Jersey number 0. Huling pa lang nilang boys sa Saison. The Iron Head. Pisaka. Garay, tataw sa wala. Hindi maruntalan. Nakalo just na mag-29. Prastahe. Just na mag-29 ngayon. Ang mamalalit. Dahil ang kanitahan na pumalong kapito pa. Luis Ballot. Ball on jersey number 11, Tesorio. Pushing pa lang tinalang kay Tesorio. You are. Imba na ball. Zorrilla, just na kasabang Costa by Garay. Zorrilla, hook shot. Wala din ako nakalo. Bigli na by Tesorio. Morales number 9, goal for 2. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Sambuana, just number 1. Pasa just number 1, gamit tayo nara. Sambuana, turnaround shot. Wala. Bago na back, pinitawan na karoon yung Zorilla. Sorry naman yung late sa buwan. Zorilla, nulok pass na pera. To Sambuana. Sambuana. Wow! Wala pa rin. Ano yun? Baulya. Pass to the right. Dropped outside. Pala mo. Wala pa rin. Bigli mo just naman 29. Grabe yung Mr. Pass to tayo just naman 26. Ito yan. Tayo niya. Pinari pa ang West. Okay, good. Grabe yung pari naman doon. Bigak na. Gusto na kayo. Pass to Baulya. Galing na Zuna. Binikpitan. May pumalok na P2 foul. Foul on jersey number. Foul on jersey number 29. Sini. Baulya first row. Connect 1. Remaining time 1 minute and 18 seconds. Second row by Baulya. Yes! Kompleto lang tubo. Remaining time. Kaya ngayon. Lumabas ang buwan. Zorilla. Ganda pa sa kay Jesse Son. Puntaya from downtown. Goal for 3. Goal for 3. Remaining time. Last 1 minute. Baulya. Tapos tumato ng MJ from downtown. Gumante. Wala. Biglang manuhalin kay Seryo. Marami na bilis. Tapos tumato na siya pa rin. Isa pa daw. Natinta pa rin. Goal for 3 by Puntana. Zorilla. Last 40. Shot lock down to 15. Last 35. Simple shot mata. Wala. Kung lima mag-gotera. Grabe. Walang may stick. Last 30. Shot lock down to 20. Wala na pa rin. Bigliman Baulya. Jump shot. Roy. Good for 2 by Baulya. Last 15. Time shot lang ulit. Last 10. Last ball. 4. Second quarter. Sukses na mga natin. Sambil na crossover. Kantap pa sa naman. Grabe. Goal for 2 by jersey number 30, Jacob. Kaya ngayon. Pasimili na bitawan. From downtown. Wala pa rin. Sayang pa yung Modest. Grabe. Gallego. Goal for 2. Gallego. Jersey number 9. 12. Sambuana jersey number 1. Driving layup. Pero magmunok na P2 foul. Who's foul rep? Wearing jersey number 24. Jacob. First person foul. First goal by Sambuana. Yes, connect 1. Seventh row, jumpers ready. Yes, kompleto ang dalawa. Karang ngayon, crossover. Lumabas ang buwan. Uy, Jacob ngayon. Jacob, fade away. Huligang pa, pero wala. Hindi mo naman Bautista ba? Okay, just number 1. Sambuana naman yan. Driving layup. Using the gas. Goal for 2 by Sambuana. Kalima naman, iba naman. Pass to the right. Karang ngayon, bali na Sambuana. Escape. Jump shot. Nothing but the net. Goal for 2 by Garay. Pass break pass. Masyadong malakas. Meron ako naman yung Mr. Saison. Saison ngayon. Remaining time. 5 minutes and 24. Shot knocked down the bed. Quick. From down south. Wow, wala. Roy, may tumanok na P2 foul. Siyempre na ball charge number 7. Pasa ilalim, bounce pass. May pumatok na P2 foul na talaga yan. Who's for left? Wearing jersey number 9, Gallego. Holding foul ang tinawag kay Mr. Gallego. Gallego Luar. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 1, second row, jumpers ready. Terima daw Gallego. Grabe si Conte. Nice one. Boto na yan. Boto na side step, pure step. Ang net, basket count mo left. Paulong Diyos, basket count mo. Paulong Diyos na kasabang Bautista, blocking foul. Bautista Luar. Offensive rebound. Boto na shot block down the ground. Wow. May pumadaktak. Ay, ano nga? Offensive. Illegal screening in rep. Paulong Diyos number 22. Boto na illegal screening. For the first personal foul. 3 fouls. Last 5 minutes. Bautista, gliding niya. Wala, dulo na sa akin pa rin. Paulong Diyos number 7. Paulong Diyos number 9, Gallego. First row, not good. Second row. Sabret. Ayan, Sabuena. Dito tayo, 4 minutes and 50. Sabuena, long 3. Pakila na pero wala pa rin talaga. Nawa ni Mr. Saison, naman mo na kulit ako na ang bungo na kasuran. Naman, nakuha ni Josh number 30, Joe. Pass to Sabuena, Josh number 1. Driving layup, grabe naman din. Goal for 2 by Sabuena. Grabe, dumi pa. Ayan, ay. May pumanak na Tito Palan, jersey number 25. Jersey number 25, the war. First personal foul, 2 foul. Garay pa sa bed. Shot knock down to 8. Shot knock down to 5. 4. May pumanak na Tito, basket counter foul. Who's for left? Foul on jersey number 30. Jarud, pushing foul. Jarud, second personal foul. Servano, jersey number 04. Right, kompleto ang tatlo. Caught for free by Mr. Servano. Last 4 minutes. Sabuena, long 3 naman. Pang-apat na, wala pa rin. Bautista fake. Yes, caught for 2. Kung wala sa labas, wala sa lalim. Pass to Medina, back down, siya na naman down, batting bat na net, goal for 2. Pagpayong na kabas. Taking an involvable pass to Saison. To Sabuena. Sabuena nga naman ngayon, driving layup. Wala lang, din na-convert. Nakaliboto na, pass-break pass. Garay ngayon. Uy! May pumatok na dito, foul na naman. Foul on jersey number. Foul on jersey number 30, pushing foul, Mr. Jarud. Masok na idol bro. Second row, jumper 3. Yan na, legit na yan guys. Wow! Wala ka rin tawa. Nakuha ni Mr. Gawad, Pastor Zorfil yan. Dako ka sa mo. Sorry na yan. Ganit na guy. Uy! Grabe! Dahil na back pass turn around. Wala na yun. Tuloy na convert. Dugro na isang buwan. Wala. Nagpamanok na P2 foul. Who's foul left? Bano ang jersey number 04. Bano pushing foul. Bano Luar. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty again for both teams. Warning for penalty na po kayo. Sabuena first row. Sabret. Put na up. Right, pass break pass to Bano. Wow, di na nakonvert. Ganda na naman doon. Sayang. Loose ball. Pass na Sambuena. Sambuena crossover pa rin by Mr. Jacob. May pabulok na Pito. Follow naman. Loose ball red. Follow on jersey number 34. 94. Penalty pa lang kayo guys. Brana, second ball. Jumper Suri. Wow, good for. Salak berpuwa. Kadang-kadang pada dasar Brana. Harus sa gani sa Brana. Kadang-kadang pwede lihat. Uy, grabe naman yan. Jabbar. Pero si Tabat na dito. Marami na bilis. Para may skill, may Tabat. Tabat from downtown. Ay, basa naman ang gas. Lapan na pulsuan yan. Diba, Bautista yan. Bautista, binigbitan. Wala, lumabas. Yes, what a great follow-up by Mr. Sambuena, jersey number 1, got for 2. Pauya, jersey number 28. Yan. Pasok Tabat. Shot lock down to 8. Shot lock down to 5. Jacob from Tabat. Wow, what a great steal. Grabe naman itong mga point guard na to. Pumilis. Hey! Alright, may pamadak na Pito foul on jersey number 06. Holding foul ang tinawag kay Mr. Boris. Ay, Joshua. Oh, 1 for 1 kay Mr. Joshua. Remaining time, 1 minute and 47 seconds. Second row, Jumper City. Oh, shit. Sambuena. Number someone setting the play. Pass to Zorilla. Shot lock down to the team. Gandang pasa naman. Pasa nila nakuha agad ni Bautista. Nakawaring Tabat. Pass break pass to Garay. Garay ngayon. Right. It's at traveling violation. Sambuena. Sambuena ngayon mukhang na someone setting the play. Shot lock down to the team. Bautista further away. Wow, 1 for 2 by Bautista. Para manamay pass to Bauya. Remaining time, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Shot lock down to the team. Bauya kasabay. Mapamanak na Pito foul. Who's Marat? Foul on jersey number 06. Lagi ka lang tumawag ko Mr. Boris. Sabros. Boris, your second personal foul. Penalty na tayo. First row by Mr. Bauya. Connect 1, second row. Jumpers ready. Sarang kablabo mo. Talalangan mo. Yes, kaplata ang dalawa. Marami. Boris na yan. Pasto sa Buena. Dari may Tabat. Sampa na ngayon. Wala. Tabat. Nice one. Nakawa. Sige siya. Jacob, pass na Testorio. Testorio, anticipating niya naman sa Bautista. Remaining time, last 35 seconds. Bautista. Pass to Boris. Boris. Matulog na Pito foul. Basket contact foul. Who's ball left? Foul on jersey number 24. Jacob, you won. Take personal foul penalty. Last row by Mr. Boris. To complete the 3-point play. Grabe kataas si Bauya. Bakit ka ba? Bawala ka lang malit. Bakit ka ba ulit? Bauya, pagkakuan. Pirano si Misoyo. Grabe, baka red. Last 20. Last 20 segundos. Last 15 segundos. Take off. Last ball. Testorio jump shot, wala alikuan. Last 5, 4. That's the number 2 quarter. Official score. Ilan? 48-61. Tama na yan guys. Garay from downtown. Wala. Bigay pa by Mr. Huntalia, jersey number 26. Huntalia around court to court. Good for 2 ball, Huntalia. Sigara naman. Good naman yan, oh. Swap, ang sila mo lang kailangan ng team Eric Marin. Sino yan? Mr. Sabuena, shot lock down to 19. Shot lock down to 13. Shot lock down to 10. Sabuena from downtown, wala. Big rebound by Mr. Enero. Okay. Bottom quarter. Sino yan? Derial. Pastor Huntalia. Huntalia ngayon, lumabas sa back to Derial. Shot lock down to 14. Uy! Pinasa kay Lebron. Galing by Mr. Derial. Just naman 13. Point guard. Oy! Kitang-kita ang tulak. Foul, offensive foul ang tinawag kay jersey number 7. Number 13. Inbound ball. Pass to jersey number 13. Mr. Derial. Pass to Sabuena naman. Sabuena ang gusto may galing kay Kauya. Sabuena try ng liyak. Bantak. Trapo. Wablik. Liyak kay jersey number 1. Sabuena. Gito yan. Kauya. Babae. Kauya. Pass to Medina from downtown. Pinawala na naman. John Paul Duval. Medina. Burot na naman. Diriyan ngayon. Just number 13. Ganit by Garay. Gantang pasa naman. Wow. John Paul Duval. Mr. Jared. What a great combination by Mr. Sabuena and Mr. Jared. Jacob na lang gumantay. Good na abot. Nawarin Medina loose ball. Sampo na lang ang kalamaan ng team Eric Marin. Sabuena hook shot. Wala. Nakuha ni Enero. Para foul ni Mr. Sabuena. Sir Sabuena, dalawa na pong foul mo. Paula ngayon, Josh number 28. Shot lock down to 13. Paula from downtown. Wala. Rebound Suyan. Hoy, may tumatak na pitong foul. Sabuena ngayon. Sabuena, 7 na play. Yung masamad, pass to Derial. Shot lock down to 12. Huntalia fake. Grabe na ngayon. Dating babanat. 12-3. Arating Eric Marin. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Garay ngayon. Garay by Mr. Derial. Garay. Shot lock down to 14. Shot lock down to 10. Garay. Iba na ball, pass the ball, side step, Euro step. Nagpamanak na pitong foul ang jersey number 9. Legal subahan sa tinawag ko ay jersey number 9. Remaining time, last 5 minutes. Herso by Mr. Paulia, nothing but the net. 1 for 1, so hanggang lights ito. Paulia ulit, grabe, consistent. Kalema na ball, pass to Mr. Derial, looking for someone, set to play. Pass to Mr. Sabuena. Asking for play, shot lock down the ground. Sabuena naman ngayon, may pangurap na pinto foul. Pagkaroon pa na ball. Lumabas na ball. Pass to Derial. Shot lock down to 12. Shot lock down to 8. Offensive foul ang tinawag kay jersey number 13. Bota na yung ball. Pass to Paulia. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Bawala na yan. Big. Yung ball, pass to Enaro. Pagkakalak na Peter, paano naman? Who's fouled up? Foul on jersey number 9. Illegal is holding foul ang tinawag kay jersey number 9. May isa na po ang come up. Habang sa team ng Eric Marin, meron tayong dalawa. Raised by 2 by Mr. Enero. Galing by Garay. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Shot lock down to 13. Sabuena pass to Teha. Jump shot. Wow! Ano yung red? Foul. Foul on jersey number 22, pushing foul ang tinawag. Iwanin na po yung penalty ng team Eric Marin. Huntalia ngayon. Sabuena long trip, pang-lima. Pang-limang attempt, nag-shoot na dalawang. Goal for 3 by Mr. Sabuena. Okay, para naman. And now, from downtown. Malakas. Nakaluwag talya. Buta na ngayon, nagmamadaling court to court. Pwedeng layang. Grabe naman yun. What a great move. Goal for 2, basket counting foul. Foul on jersey number 10. And Nero, illegal is advance. Throw by Mr. Opale, jersey number 26. Oh, that's cross. It's in 33. Parang ngayon, ay bawal naman yung crossover. Got it by Mr. Joe. Shot lock down to Juan. Bawal nga yung crossover. Pero may tumatak na Pito foul na naman. First throw by Lauya. Grabe, kanina pa yung nating bat na nitena. Last row, jumpers ready. Pauwi again, second row, kompleto ang dalawa. Kuya. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Shot lock down to 15. Sanggo na ganit na guy. Shot lock down to 12. Ay. Illegal screening. Foul on jersey number 30. Miss out from downside. Wala. Ay, nawala na rin. Nakuha rin Mr. Pia. Way! Anticipated na din Goto na biligpitan. Yes, number 2 by Goto na. Muntalya ngayon. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 40. Shot lock down to 15. Muntalya ngayon. Sambrana naman from downtown. Wala. Pero ito Muntalya, offensive rebound. Shot lock down to 14. Muntalya ngayon, doon masabuan. Muntalya, pass to Tea. Tea from downtown. Nating bata na. Quarter 3. Bakay ngayon. Garay. Last 2 minutes and 18. Shot lock down to 15. Shot lock down to 10. Garay. Gandang pasa na pananong si Miss Gracie ng 9. Punta niya ngayon. Stop. Wow. Garay. Remaining down. 1 minute and 50. Shot lock down to 12. Shot lock down to 12. Garay nakalusot. Beautiful block. Loose ball. Shot lock down to 7. Remaining time 1 minute and 45. Next game natin mag-ready na. Senior. Nakawalan ko ha. Last 1 minute and 40. Kaya ngayon, ganito guy. Pinasa yung Mr. Sambrana naman yun. Sambrana, long 3 na naman. Wala pa rin talaga, inaalat. Senior. 28. Sambrana, ganit tayo nila. Tapos na dyan naman 29. Wala. Bigli pa kayo ender. Hoy, may pumadap na Peter foul. First row by Endero. Uy! Second row, jumpers ready. Saan na kayo panilig? Pili mo may Mr. Otaya. Rumilita, 1 minute and 15 sa ating last and final quarter. Otaya from downtown. Wala, nakuha ni Milpina. Hindi na kaya, pinasaya Maria. Rumilita, 1 minute and 5 seconds. Away, easy the ball. Shot lock down to 15. As 55, shot lock down to 6. Shot lock down to 5. Big rebound pa ha. Last 48. May pumunok na Peter foul on jersey number. Foul penalty. Personal Mr. Sambuena. Nothing but the net. Goal for 1. Remaining time, last ball for 44 segundos. Second row, jump ball sorry. Yes, connect 2. And narrow in the ball. Last 40. Last 35. Dominican, last 34, 34 segundos. Sarap ka pala kami. Yes, resulta mo para pag mag-shoot. Resulta mo pag mag-shoot. Last 34 seconds. 34 segundos. Ang ating oras kinalabi sa ating huli. Last and final quarter. Sa free line. Segundo. 24. Behind mo na boy. Paso Talia. Last 13. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 8. Last 1 to 5. Shot lock down to 4. Ano yung direct? Mga pala guys, ang nakagraduate dito may merinda. First row by Medina. Second row. Jump post ready. Grabe naman yun. Pagatsi. Last 20. Okay, wala great speed pero ngayon. Penalty na nag-penalty. With a rubber brown t-shirt. So, jump post ready. Sana na ang bed. Ang cute na tapos. Connect to. Last 15. Mr. Sampana, you walk. First row foul penalty. First row by Medina ulit. Kumawapin. Second row. Para sa kanya. Patay. So that's na ngayon. Uy, pass, break pass. Nice game. Congratulations for both teams. Job well done. Well played pala. Well played.